Cyclist Lian Centura's tire went flat along Shaw Boulevard in Mandaluyong City. With no vulcanizing shop nearby, he planned to walk with his bike to find one. Luckily, a fellow biker passing by offered assistance.
Kapag mga ganito, boss, malayo kami sa wala kami makunan.
Kung alam mong may dala ka, tulungan mo yung kasama mong siklista. Para hindi naman po siya kawawa. Kasi alam ko malayo po kasi vulcanizing, dun pa po eh.
To help bikers and even riders facing similar problems, the MMDA has opened a repair station at the ground level of Quezon Avenue flyover on EDSA. More of these will be put up in strategic areas of major thoroughfares in the coming days.
Ito po ay may basic tools. Meron din po tayong pang vulcanize kung sakali pong sila ay mapaflatan. Ito po ay libre. Maglalagay po tayo ng tao na trained para po mag-assist.
Ira Cruz of the group Move As One Coalition says there are other key issues that also need to be resolved. Among them are the safety of bike lanes and awareness of motorists on road sharing.
It's also about the quality of those bike lanes. Need to be permanently protected from motorists. That goes hand in hand with the lack of education of motorists in terms of how to share the road with other road users.
Cruz says he personally experienced being cut off, beeped at, and yelled at by motorists even while on the bike lane. And with more recklessness, accidents are inevitable. Based on MMDA data, of the 918 reported accidents, at least 12 people have died due to bicycle-related road crashes from January to May this year.
That's an indication of why a lot of people are getting discouraged to consider biking.
Kaya nga po kami dito sa MMDA, ang una po naming advocacy ay i-educate yung ating mga siklista, lalong-lalo na po sa proper gears. Kailangan din po mag-helmet sila. Sa gabi, kailangan meron pong mga ilaw or senya sila sa kanilang katawan para po sila ay madaling makita.
Meanwhile, the MMDA says with the surging prices of oil, the number of vehicles flying EDSA is going down. From 417,000 vehicles on May 5, it's down to 392,000 last June 9. The MMDA says for now, there's no need to expand existing 5 to 8 p.m. number coding scheme. Gerg Cahiles, CNN Philippines.